Right, so a couple of years ago, Apple ditched making leather cases and instead they gave us a fine woven case instead. That turned out to be a pretty terrible product and it was cancelled last year, so we only had a silicon case and a clear case for the iPhone 16 series. This time, with the iPhone 17s and the whole 17 series, we now have the Techwoven case, which is a different kind of fabric case to essentially replace the fine woven case. So let's take a look. I've got the Sienna version here to hopefully go nicely with the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's open this up, usual pull tab from Apple, yank that off, and let's get inside and take a look. So immediately this is very, very different to the fine woven case. The fine woven case was kind of like a suede-ish material, suede feeling material, synthetic suede, whereas this is very, very different. So usual paperwork and stuff that you get with Apple and nothing else inside the box. So let's put that off to the side. Now, looking at the fine woven case in a bit more detail, it's got a rough texture on the back. So it's definitely a very tight weave of whatever material this is. If I put it up to the mic, just drag my nail across it, you can hear that roughness. Anyway, so the back is not showing anywhere. I was just scraping my nail against it and it's not shown anywhere at all. On the sides, you've got camera control as you would do. You've got metal buttons for the power button, action button, volume. You've got your cutout for your USB-C port. You've also got your speaker ports as well. And then you've now also got spots for Apple's lanyard crossbody strap type thing. Not my cup of tea, but if you like that kind of thing, then, you know, have at it. But yeah, on the edges, there's kind of a coating on the side. So it's actually really grippy even without the phone in the case. There's a lot of cases which are very slippery. This one is definitely not slippery, and I have quite dry hands, so I find a lot of cases to be very slippery, even if other people don't. And this feels very grippy. Not silicon sticky like the silicon cases get after a while. So let's see what it looks like now slapped onto the phone. So clips in quite nicely. At the front, you've got a nice raised lip there, which will hopefully help protect the screen. I don't have a screen protector on here. I don't plan on using a screen protector on here. That might change once I get my first scratch, but that's the lip that you get on there. It's a decent sized lip and does really give you some nice grip in the hand when you're holding this. The 17 Pro Max is a very big phone for me. I'm usually go for the standard size, but I've not been happy with battery life. Probably been using my phone a bit too much. But the 17 Pro Max hopefully should see me through a day where the 16 Pro didn't. So that means I've got a bigger phone and, you know, just really want to be able to keep hold of it. So this grip on the sides is definitely very, very nice. It's very flush around the camera. You've got a nice bit of raised protection there. It's raised just above the cameras themselves as well. And buttons feel nice and clicky. Very nice there, and cancel that. And yeah, overall actually feels very nice. This material feels very hard wearing, very durable, and I think this will be a very popular case once people actually get it into their hands, because the fine woven case from a couple of years back was pretty bad. It looked like rubbish after a few days of use. It got scratched up and ruined very, very quickly. Whereas this, it's very nice and slim. Apple cases tend to have good drop protection, even though they are very slim. This is a very slim case. It's not adding much to the phone at all, and it feels very, very nice in the hand. So a little bit pricey. It's in the region of £60 here in the UK. Is it worth it? It's probably not worth £60, no, but it's made by Apple, so you're going to end up spending a bit more on it anyway. But if you're looking for a first-party case, I think the Sienna colour here does go very nicely with the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. I think the green one will go nicely as well, so will the blue one if you want to do a contrasting colour. So this is definitely a keeper in my mind. Really like this, and I think this will probably be alongside the Peak Design case, which I've spoken about in another video, along with the Peak Design Everyday case. I think this will be one of the cases that spends a lot of time on my phone over the next year or so. So that's that. Thank you very much. Make sure if you've enjoyed the video, you hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got videos coming out over the next few days on the silicon case, on the clear case as well. We've also got there's also videos up on the channel now for the iPhone 17 Pro Max unboxing, the Black Apple Watch Ultra 3, the AirPods Pro 3. So there's a lot of content dropping over the next few days. So don't forget to subscribe to get notified for when all of those videos drop. Thank you, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.